Hi guys, what's up? I'm Anubha and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. So in today's video, I've done this very soft, dewy kind of makeup look which is perfect for Valentine's Day. It has, rosy tones on the eyes and nude on the lips. So if you guys are excited and want to know how I did this, then let's get started. So my base makeup is already set. I'm going to start with the eye makeup today. So firstly, I am prepping up my lips because my lips were feeling kind of dry. And this is a new lip balm by Makeup Revolution. It's their new launch. So let's move on to the eyes. I'm using this eyeshadow palette by Milani and look at the colors in here, guys. I think Milani eyeshadow palettes of late have become truly my favorite, and the color combination in here is super duper pretty. So I'm taking this very earthy brown tone shade and I am basically using this color on my outer corners and sort of winging it out as well, and also applying it on like the half part of my lid area. Then I'm taking this very pretty pink shade and basically applying it right where I applied the brown shade. So I basically want a very beautiful mix of brown and pink tones. Then I took this transparent shade and I sort of used it to blend out all the harsh edges. Next up, I took this very pretty purple soft shimmer shade and I put it right on the center of my lid. And next up, I used this very pretty soft shimmer pink shade and I put it right on my inner corner of my lid. And then I took this shade and I basically applied it right on top of both the pink and purple shimmer shade so that it gives a very beautiful like soft glowy look. And then I'm using the pink shade on my lower lash line as well. For mascara, I'm using everybody's favorite Maybelline Hypercurl mascara, and I was literally using it after such a long time today. Now for my brows, I'm using this product by Fay Beauty. This basically comes in with a brow primer and also, like a mascara. This is basically something which you can use it both on your eyebrows and lashes. So I'm firstly sort of, priming my brows, and then I'm using this product to sort of put on color to my eyebrows so that, there are no further gaps in my eyebrows. So yeah, and you can also use it on your lashes as well. Next up, I'm using this liquid highlighter by Sugar Cosmetics. And of late, I'm obsessed with liquid highlighters. I love that soft sheen it gives to your makeup and to your skin in general. And for my lipstick, I'm using this beautiful very peachy sort of lipstick by Milani. Absolutely love this color. This is such a gorgeous peachy nude lip color and I freaking love it. And this is how my makeup looks, guys, and it looks very soft, sort of dewy as well, and a very natural but sort of glam. So let me know, how do you guys like this look? And all the products I used today are linked in the description box below, so make sure you check everything out. Please make sure that you like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye.